Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm Sasha. I'm a working mom just trying to balance work, home life, routines, and honestly just surviving the chaos most days. Tonight's Power Hour reset was definitely needed because this house was starting to stress me out. I feel like lately life has just been nonstop between work, mom life, trying to stay motivated, and somehow still keeping the house together at the same time. Honestly, when my house starts getting messy, I feel messy mentally too. So before I let myself sit down for the night, I knew I needed to reset things a little. Nothing crazy, just realistic cleaning and getting things back in order enough so tomorrow feels less overwhelming. I used to think I had to do these huge deep cleans all the time, but realistically, as a working mom, that's just not real life for me. Sometimes it's dishes, laundry, wiping counters, picking up toys, and doing the same things over and over again. But every single time I force myself to get started, I always end up feeling so much better afterward. I think routines are honestly what keep me grounded lately, even when I'm exhausted. Even when I don't feel motivated. And if you're watching this while putting off your own cleaning reset, this is your sign to get up and do at least one thing tonight. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me while I got my life together for the next hour. I'm still figuring out this whole YouTube thing, but I'm excited to be here. If you enjoy realistic mom life content, routines, cleaning resets, and just everyday chaos, I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe. All right, guys, I'm finally going to relax for the night, and I will see you in the next video.